I don't know why you're not there. I give you my love, but you don't care. So what is right? What is wrong? Just give me a sign. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me.
Bystorm Limited was founded in 1993. We started with cruise wear, that was good, but it brought people into the shop. But very quickly people were actually wearing the outfits to go to weddings. The ones for the evening were being worn to go to weddings. Then I was asked to create a girl's wedding dress. It's my handwriting, basically. It's what I enjoy doing, working with luxurious fabrics and being able to create beautiful outfits. And I think my handwriting is much more on the dressier side than on the casual side. In my head, I'm designing all the time, but when you actually have to put it down on paper and make that decision, I sit down with all the fabrics that I've chosen from the collections I look at, and I sit and go through each fabric and decide what design we're going to make. I'm designing a bespoke dress for one of our clients. I've chosen this one because it's a very modern take on lace. So we're going to go for fishtail shape, and because she's a young mum, she wants something that doesn't look too traditional. So we're going to go for a halter neck cutaway here and chiffon down with a slit in the arm, so almost like two long scarves, front and back. And that will just give a lovely softness to the edge and just be very flattering because you've got the verticals here and here. So that's as much as I need to do to then discuss it with Colin, and we'll come up with a pattern, and the next stage will be first fitting in a toile. Because we have two sites, we have to have meetings to make sure everything's going to schedule, and we have Sarah who conducts those meetings. She's chairman of the meetings. We use Skype on a Monday morning. Here we go, London by Storm 1. Hi, hello Scott, come in Scotland.
Has the fabric come in for Janie Kibble's stall?
No, not yet. Courier's not in yet.
Okay.
In case it doesn't arrive for tomorrow, when Yvette's in, just so, and then we'll just have to, I think we'll just have to send her a piece at Ascot, wherever she's staying at Ascot, because it'd be nice if she came in and sees it, and then she'll go ahead with the order.
Do you still want a photo of it?
I think if you send the photo anyway, just in case, that would be good.
Okay. Did you get the photo? Yeah.
That's us. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Over and out.
Oh, you know, you can't get a 60-year-old to do this anymore. I need some young, sprightly hot dude, yeah, to come up. You're going to put it on the fold? Yeah, because it is on the fold, those. Back, yeah, that's fine. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's better.
The most rewarding part of the job is seeing a happy customer go out the door in her outfit, and then getting photographs from the wedding and hearing how wonderful it all was and how many compliments she's had. And we never take for granted the fact that they have chosen us to be part of their big day and to make them feel special, and it's quite a privilege for us to although not necessarily be at the wedding, we're there with our outfit, and we see the photographs afterwards, and we love people sending photographs.